Good day, sir. I'm Midshipman Tumanda John Roy, this interest year. And today I am explaining how to solve the compass error. Exercise, ang imong gihatag nga given, sir, is 189 degree true. Ang variation, sir, is 5 degrees east. Ang division, division 2 degrees west, division stable. We find PSC per ship course o compass course or compass error. Yang step 1, ang step 1 use TVMPC formula. So ang line course, sir, is 189 degrees. Apply variation. Ang variation here, sir, is 5 degrees S is less to subtract 189 degrees 5 minus 189 degrees 5 degrees equals 184 degrees magnitude magnetic. And second step is apply division. Division here is 2 degrees west is base, so i-add na to, sir. 184 plus 2 division plus 2 gikuha na to sa division, sir, is 184 degrees plus 2 equals 186 degrees compass. Answer here. Ang answer, sir, is PSC compass course equals 186 compass. Ang compass error, sir, is apply variation, apply division. So 500 degrees S plus 2 degrees west is equals is positive west na negative. 5 degrees minus 2 degrees equals 3 degrees S. Ang answer sa compass error is compass error 3 degrees S. Wala, sir. Wala ang sagutan.